What are you going to learn? How to implement a bottom-up approach that will help create an adequate framework for development of suitable support policies for social innovation. We will introduce one way you can initiate the process of either developing new or improving existing public policies that support social innovation. We suggest to do it bottom-up, meaning actors involved are NGOs, SMEs, civil society initiatives, local groups, and others that clearly see the current societal challenges and are finding innovative ways to address them. We will introduce instruments, actions, and steps you should take to reach policymakers and co-create policies that are better responding to the needs of social innovation and the needs of stakeholders promoting social innovation.